Hello students, continuation of previous video. In last video what I had explained what is LCM, what is HCF, how to find out, and what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided only by that number and 1 by 1. Clear? And what are co-prime numbers? Numbers which have common factor only 1, except 1 they don't have any common factor. These are called co-prime numbers. So in finding LCM of co-prime numbers, we have to multiply or we have to find out their product, and to find out HCF, always HCF will be 1. Clear? Now exercise 15, how to find out LCM and HCF with same sum. I will explain you. Okay. Resolve into factors and then calculate LCM and HCF. First, there are some easy one. Number 2, 5. First term is 5x cube y square, and second term is 15x square y cube. Now, what will be the LCM? 5 and 15. How you calculate LCM? 5 and 15. In this way you have done in class 7. So LCM is 15. 5 into 3, 15. So number 15. Now there are two variables x and y. What is the highest power of x here? 3. That is cube. And here also cube. So this is your LCM. But what will be your HCF? Between 5 and 15, what is common? 5 and 15 means 5 into 3, 15. So 5 is common, so 5 will be the HCF. And what is the lowest power of x? Square. X square is here also, present is there also. So x square. And what is the lowest power of y? Y square. So this is your LCM and that is your HCF. Another one. This one, number 10. First term is given 21 a cube x square y to the power 4. Second one, 35 a square number 10. 35 a square x y square. Third one, 42 a y, no x. Okay. Now to calculate the LCM, first we will do this 21, or in this way also you can do. See, but together you have learnt in class 7, do like this. 42. So by 3 by 7, then by 3. What will be your LCM? 7 into 3 into 5 into 2. 210. Clear? So LCM 210, and variables are a, x, y. So what will be the highest power of a? There is 1, there is 2, there is 3, a cube. Highest power of x, there is no x related term, y and 2. So 2. And y 4. This is your LCM. And what will be your HCF? You have to check what is common in between in 21 factors, 7 into 3, 35 7 into 5, and 42 7 into 6. So 7 is there. So HCF common factor is 7. Clear? And A What is the lowest power of A? 1. So A. Now see here. X is there, but X is absent in last term. So this is not common in all the terms. So there will not come any X related term. Clear? And Y only this. So your HCF will be this. I am explaining once more. What will be your HCF? 21, 35, 42. 35 means 7 into 5, and 21 means 7 into 3, and 42 means 7 into 3 into 2. Clear? Now which number is common? 7 is common. So your HCF will come 7. And A is present here, there and there. What is the lowest power of A? 1. So I have written here. And X, about X. Now see, X is there, but X is not there. So X is not present in all the terms. So to calculate HCF or in writing HCF, you will not write, you will not include X. Clear? And Y, what is the lowest power? 1. So 7AY is the HCF. Another (21). First term is x square minus y square. Now we'll use the formula. A plus B into A minus B. We have to factorize. Clear? Now second term, x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square. So this one, here you will not break in that formula. By that formula, A plus B whole square. This is my one factor. Clear? So don't break it. Now first I am calculating HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So you have to see which factors are common in all the terms. There is x plus y, there is x plus y whole square. So lowest one I have to take. Lowest power, x plus y. X minus y is there, but it is not there. So we will not include. Now to calculate the LCM, first x plus y. What is the highest power in LCM? We write down highest power, and x minus y also will be there. So this is your LCM, this is your HCF. Now 24. First expression or first term, whatever may be, you can write. 24. First one is x square minus y square. You know how to find out the factors by using formula. Second, I am sure that you have forgotten this formula again. A cube plus b cube. In factorization, we use that formula. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So here we write x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Clear? Then third expression, that is third expression number 24, x cube minus y cube. Again formula, a cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Clear? Now we have to calculate HCF and LCM. Left hand side I am rubbing, otherwise I can't write. first I am calculating HCF. You have to check which factors are common. There is x plus y, there is x plus y, but there is no x plus y. So we will not get x plus y. X minus y is there, not there, but it is here. This term, it is not here, this is also not there. So interesting thing is that your HCF will be, nothing is common there, so your HCF will be 1. Clear? It is important thing. And LCM. In finding LCM, write down the factors first from the first term, this into this. Now in second term you see x plus y already you have written, so no need to write it again. Clear? But this is not written, so write down this x square minus xy plus y square. And in last one, x minus y already is there, but this term not there. X square plus xy plus y square. So in finding LCM, what to do? First you write down all the factors from first term or expression. Clear? Then check in second one. Already this one I have written, so no need to write it again. But this is not written, I have written it. Here also this is I have written. Now I write down this. Clear? And what is HCF? You see x plus y is present here and here, but not here. X minus y, it is here and here, but not here. And this term not here, this term not here. Clear? So nothing is common, no factor is common. So your HCF will be 1. And next one you will get in next one.